Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to use Google Sheets. Well, to do that, open your Google Sheets, then sign in to your account. If you don't have an account, then create an account. Then in here, you can see now your Google Sheets. Enter Google Sheets, your digital canvas. Initiate a new spreadsheet with a single click. Each cell is a note. Fill them with your data symphony. Then customize fonts and formats. You can see this at the format section, and also add a flair to your creation. Insert rows and columns seamlessly, expanding your canvas. Then enchant with formulas. Begin your magical calculation with the equal sign. So if you want to add those two cells, just add it by typing equals, then A1 for the allocation of a cell, then plus sign, then A2, then enter. If you will enter a digit here, you can see that it will add. Employ function like sum, average, and max for data wizardry. Then autofill cells. Enforce data rules with validation. Use Sheets tab to traverse between different dimensions of your project. Then sort and filter your data, orchestrating clarity from chaos. So that's how to use Google Sheets. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.